I play. Hello guys, this is Cool Gamer 933. So I'm introducing to you a new prison server. The IP will be in the description. So it's a prison server, so you need to mine. I'll just go to mine. This is mine F, so it's, by the way, if you enter skin comp, make sure to dig the dirt so you secure your safety, because sometimes it's a trap. You will fall to your death and then you will lose your stuff, so that actually just lose your money, because you need to buy again starting stuff. So that's my tip. When I enter skin comp, I always break the dirt or anything below me, so I know that I am that it is safe to go. And black market has traps, so I'm just gonna trap this person. So bye. I actually need wood, so wait, I'm just gonna enchant, so I'll be right back. Wow, it's raining, it's lagging. I'm just gonna enchant. I hope I get efficiency 4 or 5. This I want. So do that. It sometimes glitches. Yep. Why is it lagging? No, please don't lag. So, I think it's lag. I just won't encounter now, so let's go to what? Problem. I want them to fix this. See, it just get me out of the game. So let's try it one more time. Sometimes it loads fast, sometimes it loads slow, so it always loads fast for me. So let's enchant it again. Go to PH. That stands for platform. And it's lagging, so sit again. We need to enchant. Okay, enchant it now. I don't need silk. That's it. I enchanted it. sometimes it just lags, so don't be so angry at it. So let's go to mine A to get some wood. You have plots, so you can have helper as many as you want. So be sure to be creative when you get plot. And sometimes hackers are here, so be careful. Um, See you next video.